Hello, and welcome to Niagara Falls, one of the most breathtaking natural wonders in the world. As a bucket list destination for many travelers, Niagara Falls offers a unique combination of scenic views, thrilling adventures, and cultural experiences that create memories of a lifetime. Let's explore some of the incredible travel experiences and adventure activities that Niagara Falls has to offer. 1. Witness the power of Niagara Falls. The first thing anyone should do when visiting Niagara Falls is to witness the power and beauty of the waterfall. The sound of the crashing water, the mist, and the rainbow colors are something that should not be missed. You can witness the falls from various viewpoints such as the journey behind the falls, the Hornblower Niagara Cruises boat tour, and the Skylon Tower observation deck. 2. Adventure activities. If you're looking for an adrenaline rush, Niagara Falls offers plenty of thrilling activities to suit every taste. You can soar above the falls on a zipline, go on a helicopter ride over the falls, or white water rafting down the Niagara River. The destination is also famous for its jet boat tours that take you up close to the misty falls. 3. Niagara-on-the-Lake. Niagara-on-the-Lake is a charming little town just a short drive from the falls. It's well known for its quaint streets, premium wineries, and picturesque countryside. Take a leisurely bike ride through the vineyards or sample some of the best ice wine in the world. Niagara-on-the-Lake also boasts several theaters, offering live performances all year round. 4. Niagara Falls illumination. A stunning way to appreciate Niagara Falls is to witness it illuminated by an array of colorful lights. The lights change colors every 15 minutes, providing a magical ambiance that never gets old. 5. Culinary experiences. Niagara Falls is a foodie's heaven, with a diverse selection of dining options available. The region is renowned for its wine and grape-growing culture, so don't forget to try some classic dishes like beef tenderloin or roasted lamb. Additionally, you can explore various artisanal food shops and farmers markets that offer locally sourced products. In conclusion, Niagara Falls, Canada, USA is an awe-inspiring destination that should be on everyone's bucket list. With its stunning natural beauty, thrilling adventures, cultural experiences, and food scene, it's a destination that won't quickly be forgotten. So pack your bags and come visit Niagara Falls. You won't be disappointed. Thank you for tuning in to our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more travel adventures and tips.